The internet has made all our lives easier. In today's world, we cannot even imagine a life without the internet. Everything that we want is just near us. One search and you will get everything you want. One click and you get your favorite product. We're like slaves to the internet, but it wasn't always like this. There was a time when the internet was difficult and not so convenient, but that time has passed. And as now, we're sure that this time will also pass, and we will have something that's even better than the internet that we have today. What could be better than this, you ask? Well, it's Web 3.0. So, what is this Web 3.0? Well, here are all your answers. Welcome to Finvize. Here we give you every answer, and today we're talking about Web 3.0. When the internet was provided to the general public, we were introduced to Web 1.0. In Web 1.0, the information was provided to the people who were looking for it. But in those times, this information wasn't organized well, and there were limited sources. Most content that was available on the web was hosted on either web servers run by the internet service provider or a free web server. In this, you were charged according to the number of pages you viewed. Internet revolution started with Web 2.0. This was the time where other creators joined and content got shortlisted by popularity. In this, if you search for a specific keyword, the first article you would see would be the most popular one. And the feature of feedback was also added. It helped the creator to make it more convenient for the user, and the content became more accessible. But the thing with the system is that the majority of the market is dominated by only a few of the companies. But now we're getting introduced to Web 3.0. In this, the data will be personalized for everyone, meaning the same information will be displayed differently for every individual. The site will collect data through daily activities like text and voice. By this, the data that's displayed will not be owned by any big corporation. This Web 3.0 will work on blockchain. Basically, if you have to narrow it down into simpler words, then you won't need a different account for different applications. Just one account will work on every application. This doesn't mean that we will have different applications for Web 3.0. It's just that the same applications that we use today will have a Web 3.0 feature. Web 3.0 will also help cryptocurrencies. It'll introduce dApps applications that are decentralized and can run on the blockchain. According to reports, Ethereum could be the most popular blockchain for Web 3.0. Crypto projects like Helium and Kusama are already working to improve the Web 3.0 experience. Now, once something new comes out, many people think that it's going to be a huge success, and many believe that it'll just be a wild goose chase. The same thing is there with Web 3.0. Many believe that this is the future, and many believe that it's just some fantasy that's not realistic, and that's why this won't ever be delivered. Let's all just keep in mind that Web 3.0 is still in development, and we'll still have to see what this thing holds. This was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated. This is all for today. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.